Good day everyone. My name is Fernandez Laymark, third year BS Criminology, Block N, and I recite the 14 titles 14 titles of RPC Book 2. Title number 1: Crimes against National Security in the Law of Nation. Title number 2: Crimes against the Fundamental Laws of the States. Title number 3: Crimes against Public Order. Title number 4: Crimes against public interest. Title number 5: Crimes 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 related to opium and other prohibited drugs. Title number 6: Crimes against public morals. Title number 7: Crimes ay, crimes crimes committed by public officer. Title number 8: Crimes against persons. Title number 9: Title number 9: Crimes Crimes against personal liberty and security. Title number 10: Crimes against property. Title number 11: Crimes against chastity. Title number 12: Crimes against civil status in persons. Title number 13: Crimes against honor. And the lastly, title number 14: the quasi-offenses. Good day everyone. My name is Fernandez Laymark,